Good morning. Is the lighting weird? It is weird. Good morning. It's Tuesday right now, 9:30 in the morning, and I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning and I touched my chest and it was like I have never sweat so much in my entire life. It felt like there was just water all over my chest. And I woke up with like a really bad stomach ache and I went to the toilet. You know, what people do in the toilet after stomach aches. But I went back to sleep for about an hour or so and then I woke up again with my stomach ache. And I don't know if that's normal, but like every time I get a really bad stomach ache, I get the shivers, like the cold sweats. And I believe that's what was happening to me in the middle of the night. And it's so frustrating. I know I've been speaking about like my stomach issues on Twitter. I actually just did an ultrasound like 2 days ago of my gallbladder, my liver, like my entire area. And then this week I still have to do like a stool sample, like a poopy sample. I've had stomach aches my entire life. When I stopped eating dairy, it was like all my stomach aches went away kind of. And I still don't eat dairy. I'm starting to realize that I cannot eat saucy foods anymore. And I love spaghetti and red sauce. That's like my favorite thing. I love spaghetti and red sauce. But I feel like I do get some stomach pains when I eat a lot of spaghetti sauce. So I feel a little bit better now. I'm actually about to do my nails. I have bare nails right now. I'm actually gonna pick a color. I actually don't know what color I'm gonna do, but I have to do my nails. I have to iron my hair. It's like puffy and frizzy right now. I thought maybe we could do a random rambles today, if you don't mind. Danny actually left today to play golf with my sister's husband, so I wanna get a lot of my editing done. And I wanted to show you the room because I'm in the process. That's not gonna stay like that. I have this fake little tree in front of a frame. That's not staying like that. So I'm in the process of fixing my room. I just spent the last couple of days really decluttering this place. I got rid of so many things and it wasn't like just makeup. It was just crap I had in here. I'm doing this to my entire house actually. I'm just getting rid of so many things. I'm obviously not throwing them away. I'm donating a lot of them and sending them to Goodwill and stuff. But there is something about decluttering that just like lifts your mood. I've been feeling like I was in a makeup rut or like a beauty rut. I didn't really want to hang out in this room. It was just so cluttered and such a mess. So I made a rule. I was like, if I haven't touched something in a year, I'm getting rid of it. And I feel so much better. I feel like a weight has lifted off my shoulders. I don't even know how to explain it, but I promise you it has changed my mood. I was feeling really down these past couple days and seeing everything not empty, but just so simple. It's incredible. But anyway, before I do my nails, I just want to show you the situation. This is not gonna look like that. You guys remember all the frames I had here on the wall? I had like little frames and they were scattered everywhere. I took them off and obviously I have to lift this one up a little bit more, but I just put them on the wall for now, like where the other hooks already were, just to see more or less like the vision I had. I got rid of my desk. Let me turn you around. I got rid of my desk. I had an IKEA desk. It was that big white one and it had a lot of storage. And I started to realize honestly that I was just shoving crap into those drawers and it was pointless storage. It was just junk. So I wanted a desk that didn't have so much storage. So I got this desk from Pier 1 and then I changed the knobs so they can match the knobs on my vanity here, you know, so things look nice and cohesive. I'm trying to like incorporate my white vanity with like the wooden look because I will never get rid of that vanity. Danny built it for me, but I'm over the white. I am like over it. I don't want to see white furniture anymore, except for my vanity. That's different. That's different. Also, this chair obviously doesn't match with this desk anymore, but I really love that chair and it was expensive. I don't want to get rid of it, so I think I'm just gonna stain the legs, like sand it down, stain the legs so it matches this desk, or I don't know. I'll figure it out. And then over here I have, you know, like my cat chats corner. I just got this little table. I don't know where I want to put it yet, and I want to put some frames here. This is like my YouTube wall. This like thing is covering that, but YouTube sent me this photo, and if you look closely, these are all comments you guys have left me in my videos. Isn't that so sweet? And it's crazy because I remember these comments. Like I was reading over this and I was like, oh my god, I remember reading these comments. I thought this was so cute, and it's like something about me and my subscribers, so I love that. I had the picture of me, Manny, and Patrick up there, but I'm gonna move this frame over to the side a little bit and then put the one of me, Manny, and Patrick up somewhere else here. I don't know, but I want to decorate the wall more so that it could be a little bit cuter for my cat chats. And then over here, this is the mess. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at all of this. Oh, this is clothes I just threw there. Yeah, super neat. I had these white floating shelves. Horrible idea, horrible, because makeup is very, very heavy. So they're like starting to fall. They're like totally bent down. So Danny's actually just gonna build my shelves all the way across. Like with this same style of wood so it can match my desk and my shelves. He's gonna put wood like all the way across and make it like really, really sturdy so that I can store all of my makeup here, because I want this cubby to be like all my lippies, my lip liners, my lipsticks. And then this is my bathroom. I just recently did a major declutter in here as well. I got this thing above my toilet off of Etsy. Just have my little aloe vera plant. I guess I'm giving you a semi-room tour, but I keep my little perfumes here. These are my 3 nephews. And this, oh, yeah, ignore my finger. If someone can tell me where this candle is from my past videos, you have been watching me from literally the very beginning. This candle is so special to me. Every time I smell it, it reminds me of the days when I first started my YouTube channel. Like, I could never get rid of that candle. And then I keep all of my hair perfumes up here. These are all my beauty blenders and makeup sponges, and I have to declutter these. I definitely have to get rid of like half of these. I don't use half of them, so there's no point. Oh, you see, like this is unnecessary. I have my little elephant here where I put my little incense. I got this at Urban Outfitters. And then I keep my fancy perfumes here. And this is all of my sister's jewelry. I know that's horrible, but I wanted to get a jewelry box just for Sio, so I can have all my Sio jewelry in that jewelry box. So I'm just waiting for that to come in. That's why it's like all scattered here. And yeah, that's the situation I'm dealing with right now. Hey, Porter. So I feel like changing things around and just getting a new setup is really going to get my creative juices flowing, because I've just been looking at the same kind of room and the same kind of setup since like 2013, you know? Okay, now to see which nail polish I'm wearing. This is all KO polish, obviously, except that, and I'm actually thinking of wearing Cassiopeia. Yes, I think I'm in the mood to rock some Cassiopeia. You know what's weird is every time I look at this nail polish rack, I remember the day that Danny built this a long time ago. We were still living in Mississippi, and I never ever thought in a million years that I would be hanging my own brand of nail polish on that nail polish rack. Like, what? That is so insane. Like, isn't that so crazy? I would have never thought that in a million years. Guys, anything is possible. Anything is possible. If you put your heart and soul and good intentions behind it, anything is possible. Okay, so I'm gonna sit at my desk, I'm gonna do my nails, I'm gonna charge this camera because the battery's dying. I love this nail polish. It is so pretty. I can't wait for you guys to see all the new things coming out in 2018. We are releasing things other than nail polish this year, so I'm very, very excited about it. And yeah, after I do my hair, I want to show you my palettes. I want to get rid of all my little palettes and just put all my eyeshadows in like one palette. I mean, I'll show you now. Cornelius was just chewing on his leg so hard that he looked like one of the hyenas from A Lion King. Look at him, look at him. He looks like Ed. Oh, before I iron my hair, I want to show you guys something. I am so sporadic in this video. I'm all over the place. I know, I'm sorry, but I want to show you what I want to do in my bathroom. So my window is right here. I want to add some like holographic rainbow vibes to my bathroom. I found this on Amazon. Let me show you. It's like this sticker that you put on your window, and it has like the holographic colors, and then when the sun shines through your window, you have like a rainbow effect on your entire room. And I'm gonna do that in the bathroom. I think it would be so cute. Let me see if I can show you more or less. Okay, so I just took a little piece off so I could show you how it's gonna look. Do you see the rainbow? And that's only just one little piece of the sticker. This is gonna look so cool. I'm actually gonna have Danny do that for me tomorrow because I'm scared that I'm gonna get like bubbles in it and I'm not gonna do it correctly. Oh my God, Porter. What is up with little Yorkies and having like little man syndrome? By the way, thanks to my stomach, I now drink green tea frappuccinos instead of coffee. Okay, now I'm gonna iron my hair. Hey guys, so it's been hours since the last time I saw you. I ironed my hair and I put it up in a bun, so like whatever. And then I did some filming and I did a bunch of editing, so the day got away from me. BRB. Sorry, that was the postman. I swear he knocks really hard on purpose. Like I have a major conspiracy theory. That guy hates me. Like I just have a feeling. All right, so I literally set you on my fake plant because my arm was hurting. So you are a little crooked, you're a little bit like this, but sorry, time completely got away from me today and I didn't vlog. This is why I don't vlog anymore. I'm really, really bad at it. And I also have the most uninteresting life ever. But oh yes, I wanna show you my freaking palettes. Hold on. I have these Makeup Forever palettes, right? By the way, if you see my sweater completely dirty, it's because it is. I love to wipe my makeup swatches on my sweater because my mom never let me used to do that as a kid, so now as an adult I do it all the time. Anyway, I have these Makeup Forever tin palettes. They're like Z palette styles, you know, full of eyeshadows, and they're awesome. I love them. There's just a lot of them. I have like 10 of them and they take up a lot of space. So I saw that Colored Rain released these freaking monsters. I immediately ran to the Colored Rain website. I bought a ton of things. I bought the new eyeshadow palette, I bought one of the small eyeshadow palettes, and then I bought 3 of these, and then I saw Nicole Guerrero talking about it. So look at the difference. This is crazy. I know this seems ridiculous because like, where are you gonna stick this, girl? Like, where are you going to store this? But for me, it's just much easier to have like 3 of these than 10 of these, because I'll just put them on my shelf, and yeah, they're a little bit large, but whenever I want to travel, I'll just pop one of these out and travel with one of these. I actually just got some Makeup Geek ones that are completely see-through, and I'll probably use those to travel with. So I might get rid of my Makeup Forever ones. I'll probably keep one and then give the rest to my friends. So this is how I think I'm gonna do it. This one, I already started on this one. I think I'm gonna do one with all of my favorite eyeshadows like of all time. I'm gonna make one like my life palette. I have Makeup Geek, ColourPop, Morphe, Anastasia. I have a few different brands in here, but I wanna put my all-time faves in this one palette. So I have my go-to, and look at this mirror. That's crazy. That's amazing. And then I'm gonna use these other 2 palettes just to fill them up like with the rest of my single shadows, because I feel like I don't use my single shadows anymore. All I'm using are palettes. But anyway, guys, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. I have to edit it and post it tomorrow morning. Oh my gosh, before I end this vlog, hold on. Look at this. Look at this. You are looking at snow falling, baby. If you don't watch Jane the Virgin, you have no idea what this is, but if you're a Jane the Virgin fan like me, can you believe snow falling actually exists? I saw this somewhere on Twitter and I immediately ran to Amazon and I purchased it. It's so funny, they have it like if she wrote the book, like it's literally written by Jane Gloriana Villanueva. Like, that is so funny. And look how beautiful on the first page. Are you crying yet? Are you? I love that. I cannot wait to read the book. I was actually really excited when I saw this. You have no idea. I love romance novels. It's like my thing. The reason I loved Jane the Virgin so much, the reason I got into the show is because I relate so much to Jane, to that character in general, her Hispanic family. Just, there's so many things about Jane that remind me of myself, and I'm obsessed with writing. I love writing stories. My whole life I wanted to be a novelist. Like, I always used to want to write YA novels and romance novels, and that was my thing. And I used to take creative writing classes, and I was just really into that. And when I saw that they actually had a snow falling book, I was like, I need to read Jane's book. How am I not gonna read my homegirl's book? So it's so cute that they actually did this. Thank you, Jane the Virgin, the people behind this. Whoever you are, whoever made this come to life, you are amazing. Even though I pretty much know exactly how this book turns out because it is about her life. But I am so excited to read it, and look how funny on the back. It says, brilliant, moving, masterful. I laughed, I sobbed, I even danced. The best novel of the century. And it's from Rogelio de la Vega. That's totally something he would say, right? Anyway, check it out on Amazon. I am gonna end this vlog here. I'm gonna get to editing this video, and I have to wake up really early in the morning. I have so many things to do, but anyway, thanks for keeping me company via camera. I always feel like I am hanging out with you guys when I'm vlogging, so I like that part. But yes, I love you guys. Good night. Well, good morning when you're watching this, kind of. I don't know. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.